Salam everyone, and yeah, hi, my name is Muhammad Shah and you're watching Toka Tech Unboxing. Today I've received a special product in mail sent from my cousin to check it out. I was looking for a nice exotic camcorder because I wanted to make decent videos for you, though the camera I've been using before and for this video isn't too bad. So let's get on with it. Usually my videos include a sliding transition of a product, which is the success secret for all the unboxing video that gets viral. But this was a heavy one and I didn't want to impair it, so I pulled the bag instead for this video. So let's get on with the unboxing. Firstly, the bag itself is looking decent and you get the Lower Pro branding on it, and it's quite bulky, which isn't a bad thing obviously, because here's the thing, the bigger the bag is, the more accessories in it. The main zipper is on the back side, and let's quickly open it. On the top there's also a patch, flip side 500 AW written on it. Now this is some unboxing experience you get here. You get a lot of compartments. Your main camera is here, which is protected by a soft cushion here. Then in the next compartment you get your external microphone cords there, and a yellow bright flashlight with an on and off switch. And in the next pocket you get your batteries and an extra one also. On this side you get 3 pocket slots for your memory card and accessories. And in the last pocket you get a pouch, which I don't know what it's used for. So let's put that aside for a second and get on to the camera. The camera doesn't feel too cumbersome to hold, which is always a good thing. The first thing I notice on it is the NXCam logo written on the LCD screen, and on the top there is your zoom button and a record button next to it. Opening a lid, you get a rotating 3.5-inch LCD display and buttons on the side. And above it is a multi-interface shoe, and on the other end is your colored viewfinder. On the camera's other side you get a lot of buttons and functions. From the first look of it, this is one of the most technical and advanced cameras I've ever seen, with keeping in mind the size also. You get XMOR and Dolby Digital Stereo Creator written on it. So let's talk about the lens first, since it will matter the most. It's a Sony G series lens, and I've heard that these are used to transfer video recording experience to pro level, which is a great news since I'm not a pro. It has 24 times clear image zoom written on it, which doesn't mean you get 224 times optical zoom, it's actually 12 times optical zoom, but Sony's video enlarging technology can make it to 24 times without talking about media quality. And you can even extend it more with your digital extender, aka digital zoom, up to 48 times, which is not a great idea. For me, I would only use up to 24 times, and if I need more, I'll just get closer to it. Now the lens has an aperture or f-stop ranging from 2.8mm to 4.5mm, giving you a max focal length of 111.6mm and a minimum focal length of 9.3mm. Another cool feature is the built-in ND filters, which you can set from 1/16, 1/4 and 1/64 ND filters by moving this button, giving you the advantage of a shallow depth of field even in outdoors. Then there is a gain button, white balance button and a shutter button, which pops out the setting for it on the LCD screen and can easily be adjusted on it. And next to it is the full auto button, which lets you put your camera into the best mode there it is if you're not a professional like me. And then there is your power on and off button. Moving on to the back side, you get your SD card insert, your 3.5mm audio jack, which can be used to hear clearer audio for the recording you have done. There is another remote jack to control your record start and stop and other wide choice of connection. Here you get your HDMI, multi-micro USB, professional audio XLR, terminals, and your composite BNC. On the other side of the camera, you get your power change indicator and your start and stop recording button, which is very convenient if you're holding the camera like this. Then there is your additional zoom rocker, last seen button, and your focus MEG button. Moving on to the microphone mount, the mic can easily be adjusted like this. And below it you get two external microphone input slots. And finally, on the bottom side, there is a hole for your tripod stand mount and your HXR NX100 model tag and your made in Japan tag. There you go, you got an unboxing on Toka Tech Unboxing. What do you think? How was the video? I would love to hear your opinion on that. So do hit the comment section. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Until next episode, Allah Hafiz and yeah, bye.